Just taking a quick look at the Reggae Boyz squad for the 2 World Cup qualifiers against British Virgin Islands and Guatemala. We have 3 goalkeepers, including the returning Andre Blake, 8 defenders, no Ethan Pinnock. We have 5 midfielders, including Rafael Morrison and Busy Atkinson, no Bobby Reid. And hear this, Demario Gray, Leon Bailey, Reynaldo Cephas, Kaim Dixon, Warner Brown, Roman Borrell, Romario Williams, and Tyrese Campbell. No Shaman Nicholson. But that is all of 8 forwards. I mean, we know we need to score some goals, but 8 forwards and only 5 midfielders. How many of those forwards gonna be on the field at any given time? 3, maybe 4. I think we needed to have more options in midfield, since that is the weakest area of the team. This looks like a very lopsided and unbalanced squad. What do you think? Anyway, in Steve McLaren, we trust for the time being.